Getting to paradise? We spent 8,135 pesos per person for 4 days and 3 nights in Boracay. We booked our one-way tickets from Manila to Caticlan with AirAsia during their sale. Paid only 3,972 pesos and 93 centavos for 3 adults and a kid. And we booked our return ticket from Caticlan to Manila separately weeks before our trip. So medyo pricey ang nabili namin. We paid 10,128 pesos for 3 adults and a kid. Best deal talaga kung maka-avail ka ng ticket nila during their seat sale. For our transportation expenses, we spent 3,680 pesos or 920 pesos per person. Kasama na dito ang terminal fee, environmental fee, boat fare, land transfer from airport to jetty port, vice versa, e-trike fare sa island during our entire trip. Most of the time, naglalakad lang kami and sumasakay sa public e-trike. 15 to 20 pesos lang per person ang pamasahe dito. For our hotel naman, 3 hotels ang pinag-istayan namin dito sa Boracay. On our first day, we stayed sa Boracay Peninsula and paid 2,672 pesos and 38 centavos for 1 night. Beachfront hotel ito sa Station 2. Then, we moved to Boracay Travel Lodge the next day. We got this for only 1,254 pesos and 43 centavos via Agoda and paid additional 600 pesos for extra person. May security deposit pala dito ng 1,000 pesos and may pool access na din sa La Carmela de Boracay. On our third day, we stayed sa Station 3 sa Boracay Isle Hotel and got it also from Agoda for only 1,375 pesos and 13 centavos per night. During our entire trip, we spent 7,676 pesos and 50 centavos or 1,919 pesos and 13 centavos per person for our lunch and dinner. Take note, hindi kami nag-book ng free breakfast sa aming mga hotel. Ang ginawa namin is nag-early lunch kami at nag-early dinner din. And yung mga usual na kinakainan namin is sa Caninderia, Mang Inasal, Jollibee, Andox, and Jasper. At nag-try din kami ng dessert na ice flakes. Nag-chill sa mga beachfront bar at nag-avail ng happy hour promo. Para sa pasalubong naman, we spend 1,100 pesos para sa mga personalized na ballpen na ito and 3 packs of banana chips. Since this is our third time here in Boracay, wala kaming in-avail na activity. Everyday, ini-enjoy lang namin ang panonood ng sunset. Naglalakad lang kami papunta ng Station 1 at Station 3 para mamasyal. Nagpa-picture lang kami sa may sand castle for only 20 pesos per person, total of 80 pesos. Total expenses for 4 days and 3 nights in Boracay for 3 adults and a kid is 32,539 pesos and 37 centavos. Kung gusto mo rin makatipid on your next trip, it's best to plan ahead and wait for the seat sale and promos.